Yeah, welcome back to the channel. So today on this video, like we have planned to do something different. So we all do like enough software engineering over the weekdays. So on this weekends, like we have basically ordered treadmills machines to basically do some exercise for our health purpose. And yeah, so the machines just arrived on the Friday evenings, and you guys all know like the weekends over that we will definitely do some things like amazing with this machine. So we will do on high levels, we will do the setup of the basic setup of this machine. So we will not do the basic setup, so you'll eventually like go to all the systems that we have to do. So it is all together details hardware engineering, so we will do on this video. So let's get started on this video. Yes, so that is the gigantic white box we got. So now let's quickly do the unboxing of it. Here we go. So this is our TDM-96 PowerMax machine. So inside the box, so that is the basic specifications you guys see. Now quickly do the unwrapping of the box art. Yes, here we go. Now inside that we have few things that we just need to validate the things that they are on the places. So it is the setup that we can see here. So the systems are looking something like this when you initially open it, and this is what we are opening. So this is the safety tracker that you can get with it, magnetic safety tracker. So you'll see how we have to use it, and then you can see the platform is there on the base, and top of that few of our digital panel is there where you can do the basic control. So here we are basically opening the digital panel. So here I think we got a set of screws that we have to set up along with our lubrications oils for machine good health. Yeah, and yeah, this is the major portions of it, the digital panels which we have to set up with utmost care. Opening our platform, so that is the platform base. That is the first base screw that you have to set, so that we are doing here. Post that is on just of the left base screw. So these are the two base screws we have it on the base that we need to set up, and these things you will get with the system itself, the titers. So you can use that to basically do the setup of set the screws accordingly. That is the another platform. Here we also have to do the same things. Now we have to set the panel. So here actually the major take cares you have to do. So here you just need to like put the panels there, and this is the first base screw on the panels you have to take care. So here you just check the things are there, you first set the base, and post that you can attach the screw to the pointed location. So now we will quickly set our two base screws. Let's quickly understand one of the basic functional things that we have it. So this is the adjustment lever we have with three adjustment functions. So that is 1, 2 and 3. So according to your intensity of the work you can choose and set the screw accordingly here. So this is the plate set you will get, and you can set your device accordingly to use. Now quickly understand the standing fold. So here you can see you can wrap your system something like this and push and do a small pushing on this, and your system is going to be again unfolded. So you can do your system folding and unfolding accordingly. So yes guys, so with this you are almost 95 to almost I have to say 100% done to use it. Understand the safety magnet. So you can put your safety magnet that we saw there, and you can tag this to the machines and another portions to your neck. Yep, we have done with this. Now understand it will come with a 3-pin plugger. So it is not going to be set up directly to your plugs. You just have to use these 3-pin pluggers, and we are all set here. So guys, we just turned on our machine. Functional, but you will see two buttons on your handbar. So one is coming with start stop. Now on the digital panel, so this is our digital panel. So the green button is to start your machines, and this is the panels you can see after clicking on the start button. So you can see your machine would automatically get started after clicking on, so with speed of 1 km/h, right? Then you can see that we have this minus and plus button to increase or decrease your speed accordingly, and on the right hand panels you can see to adjust your speed plus minus, which we have on the digital panel. The same things on the right hands you can also get. Now we have this speedometers in even frequency we can also find. So you can control it from there also. So here you can see like pressing on 8, the speed got increased to 8 km/h from 1 km/h. Yep, so that is that is the stop button. You can press on the stop buttons and it will sequentially stop your machines. Then we have this mode option. So this on mode options you can do some customization. So here you can see we have customized it on time, so the amount of time you want to run. So now here we have the distance button, so you can customize the distance you want to travel. Then we have this calorie burn. So after burning that much calorie, your machine is going to be automatically stopped. You can increase or decrease accordingly with the plus minus button. Now start the machines with the calorie 30 now, and let's see. So here you can see our machine has started, and this all over the basics you have to know to get it started. And yes, this all about we have to be understand on this machine setup parts. Okay guys, that's it guys. With this we have completed our quick and effective hardware engineering part for this video.